Hey man, say man. It's your boy Keyzo. Oh, you back with another video, as y'all can see. As y'all can see, last year I posted a video. This year I'm coming out with some new shit. As you can see, I got a new charger though. Brand new charger, you see it. We gonna get y'all around. Come on. Come around. Come look at the whip. KOS be the game. Y'all boys keep stacking though. For real. As y'all can see, we got the black tires though. It be look so sexy though. You don't know what it is. It might be a damn Hellcat scat pack. You don't know. This nigga over there doing TikToks. Hey, but y'all, I just cashed out on a brand new charger though. As y'all can see, this bit fire though. So goddamn, as y'all know, last year I had posted a video. I said I bought a charger, but I didn't. It was a clickbait. So we gonna run y'all back to last year. Let's go. Hey, Keyzo, okay? We back at another video. You see what I got? I'm brand new fucking Hellcat, scat pack, all that. Charger, nigga. Let me stop. It's a charger. Regular charger.
That boy go crazy.
Hey man, it's crazy. We did this in a year, man. Alright, y'all, we gonna explain the car though. As y'all can see, we got olive green. Olive green. I like the olive green though. I want purple though. Y'all, I want a Trackhawk though. This is just a start though. This is a start. As y'all can see, we got the black rims. Them bitches nice though. I'm glad I ain't come with no damn regular rims. I want the black rims. Hey, so we gonna show y'all around it real quick. We got a spoiler though. A black spoiler. Most of these Chargers don't come with black spoiler. But my shit a 2023 though. Alright, we got this. Y'all niggas ain't looking at the tag though. Hell nah. Fuck. Hey. Well, we gonna go to the back seat first. We got the back seat. As y'all can see. Back seat look good. Back seat look good. We're gonna go to the front seat. front seat look good. As y'all can see the symbol though. Charger. Shit, we got all this in here. I don't got no sports mode though. I gotta get me a sports mode. I wish I can put a sports mode right there. I got a regular Charger. You wanna start off V6 before you go anywhere. Niggas wanna go Scat Pack, Hellcat first. Just start off with the V6. You don't gotta catch up. I'm on my own level though. Come on. We gonna go around to the driver's side where I be at for real. Come on. Alright. Let's crank this bitch up. We gotta push start. You hear that motherfucker? Yeah. Alright, let's get inside though. Hey cameraman, go to the other side, bro. Go to the other side. Damn, I almost locked my damn cameraman out. Hey, as you know, we got a little push start. We had cold start, as y'all can see. This the key right here. This bitch show you your tires and all. Bitch show you your battery, oil, yeah, oil, all that shit. Tire pressure, your speed limit, screen setup, messages, audio, whatever you want. The Charger got it, so I expect you to get a Charger. They need to sponsor me though. And it show you your miles and all that shit. I got 140 on the dash though. I want 200 though. I want that Hellcat. I'm coming for that Hellcat or that Trackhawk. You hear me? But we got the Dodge. Shit. I want a new steering wheel. As y'all know, like Quan and them boys got the little light shit. I don't know what kind of steering wheel it's called though. I need to get it though. I'm gonna get it though for real. We got a screen. I don't want y'all to see my name though. Y'all can't see my name. We got all this shit. So man, we might as well pop the hood. We might as well get to the point. Pop the hood. See what the hood look like. So let's go do that right now. Especially when you get out the car, that bitch locked. So you ain't breaking this bitch when I go in the store though. Alright. Let's pop this hood though. Oh. That's the engine though.
Last call. That's last call fast.
Last call. You hear me? Last call. So that mean I got the last car. Y'all ain't getting this bitch though. No. Unless you gonna offer me 30,000. I mean, damn, we going up. This is the last car. 10K. You gotta offer me 10K for this. But we got the engine though. This a V6 engine. My homeboy's got the V8, but he started off V6 too. So why not start off V6? We ain't starting off V8. We starting off V6. Hey, I might be doing POVs though. Y'all stay tuned for that channel though. I ain't gonna lie. I got a Charger. I don't care what y'all say. I got a V6. I'm still gonna run it up though. Shit, but let me know how y'all feel about this car. I like it though. We gonna get some brand new shit though, so y'all boys gotta stay tuned and watch me grow. We gonna get up there. Alright, we out, man. I forgot to tell y'all though, make sure y'all keep on stacking. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, do all that. We on the road to 1K and we out.